Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, cleaning your home is one of those chores you'd rather not spend hours on. But today, I'm sharing something that has completely transformed how I clean. Say hello to the Flexi Mop. This mop is taking the cleaning world by storm, and for good reason. Let me tell you why. First off, the Flexi Mop has a 360-degree swivel head that gets into those tight corners under furniture and around tricky spaces where regular mops just can't reach. Trust me, this thing glides like a dream. The adjustable handle extends up to 4 feet, so no more awkward stretching to clean ceiling fans or high windows. And these microfiber pads, game changer. They absorb spills in seconds and leave no streaks behind. Now here's my favorite part, the hands-free wringing system. With the foot pedal spin bucket, you can wring out the mop without ever touching dirty water. It's quick, hygienic, and honestly kind of satisfying. I've been using the FlexiMop for a few weeks now, and it saved me so much time. Whether it's tackling spills, dusting, or deep cleaning, this mop does it all, and it works on hardwood, tile, marble, you name it. Plus, the microfiber pads are reusable, which means I'm saving money and being eco-friendly. Win-win. So if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine, the FlexiMop is a no-brainer. Click the link in the description to get yours today, and trust me, you'll love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one, and happy cleaning.